How to get thicker and longer hair. Does it seem like your hair isn't growing anymore? Are you annoyed that no matter what you do, it won't seem to get any longer or thicker than it already is? For a special event, maybe you want to let it grow just a little bit longer? Maybe you've always wanted hair that was fuller and thicker, but despite your best efforts, your hair has decided that it wants to be thinner and shorter than you would like. We are aware of your hair problems. This video offers some best practice guidance on what promotes hair development in an effort to assist you in overcoming them. 5 practical hair growth tips for longer hair. 1. Get it trimmed regularly. Although getting your hair cut may at first seem to negate the purpose of growing it out, cutting the ends regularly may help you avoid developing split ends, which can lead to breakage. 2. Take supplements. Certain vitamins and minerals are necessary for maintaining healthy hair and can provide your tresses with the extra assistance they require. These are copper, selenium, zinc, and vitamin B7, biotin. 3. Lessen how often you wash it. We're not saying you should ignore your hair, but if you can, try to avoid washing it every day. This is because the majority of shampoos contain components that might deplete your hair of its priceless natural oils. 4. Always use a conditioner. This is one product that you must never, ever skip. Since conditioners are made to nurture your hair and scalp and may even assist stop those undesirable split ends from forming, it's actually one of the worst things you can do. 5. Ease off using your heated hair products, i.e., your go-to hairdryer, curling irons, and straighteners. Have some days when your hair isn't poker straight and occasionally let your hair dry naturally. Ideally, use heated styling products for 2 days and then take 5 days off. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.